If you want to close a browser tab quickly in Firefox without reaching for your mouse, this short keyboard shortcut can save you a lot of time. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to close the active browser tab in Mozilla Firefox using a simple keyboard shortcut on Windows or Linux. This is one of those small browser tricks that becomes incredibly useful once you start using it every day. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look at the row of tabs at the top of the window. Click the tab you want to close so that it becomes the active tab. This step is important because the shortcut closes whichever tab is currently selected. Now, with the tab active, press Ctrl and W at the same time on your keyboard. You can do this with your left hand or right hand, whichever feels more comfortable. The tab you were working on will close immediately. If you had multiple tabs open, Firefox will simply close the one you selected and leave the rest open. That means you can move through tabs much faster without having to aim for the little X with your mouse every time. And if you accidentally close the wrong tab, don't worry, you can usually bring it back by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and T to reopen the last closed tab. So to quickly review, open Firefox, select the tab you want to close, and press Ctrl plus W. That's it. It's fast, simple, and perfect for boosting your browsing speed. If this helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss more quick Firefox tips, browser shortcuts, and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.